Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be reviewing Bewitching Yasmine from the House of Penhaligons. Before we get into this video, please hit the like button, activate the notification bell, and subscribe if you haven't done so. And without further ado, let's jump right in. This is the beautiful fragrance. It comes in a box like this. This is Bewitching Yasmine by PENHALIGON'S. And the box is so amazing. It's such a beautiful box. So first I have to say that I couldn't review this video without mentioning a lovely woman here on YouTube from Abby with Love. She's the one who really got my attention about PENHALIGON'S. This is where I first learned about it. I never heard of PENHALIGON'S prior to watching her channel. And she has a large collection from this house. She probably owns most of them. And I know that she likes to get more during her hauls. If you guys are not subscribed to her channel, run, subscribe. I strongly recommend it. She is beautiful. Her accent is gorgeous. I can listen to her talk all day. And she has such a positive energy, such a good vibe. Like, I leave her channel like feeling uplifted and good. And I just love listening to her talk about these fragrances that I never heard of. And I'll link her channel down below in the description box. So please stop by, give her some love. So I just received this and I decided to open it ASAP and try it out. So I'll tell you my thoughts on it. It looks like this. And so this is from the Portraits collection. And they come with different types of like heads of animals. This is a cat, which is really cute. And I think it's adorable. I love the color of this liquid. The bottle looks like this. So PENHALIGON'S is a UK-based fragrance house. And this cap is really heavy. It's a really pretty heavy cap. This looks expensive. This is a pricey one. And the Portraits collection is pricier than their original line. I will read you the notes. This has cardamom, coffee, jasmine, fir, incense, vanilla, and oud. So it opens up with this creamy, spicy coffee. It's like you made yourself a hot cup of coffee with cardamom in it. You sprinkled some cardamom into the coffee. It gives it like a little kick. It's very smoky. The oud here is very prominent. So you really have to like oud to enjoy this fragrance. If you are not sure about oud, I would suggest sampling this before you buy it, before committing to a full bottle, because I don't know if it's something you might enjoy. Also, if you're new to oud and you like the lighter oud, you should try this first, because the oud here is the strongest oud that I own. It smells a little bit incensey, and it's like a bitter oud. It's bitter. It gives it like a nice booziness, I think, to this fragrance. Now, this fragrance is not for the faint of heart. This is a very out there, very potent, very heady type of fragrance. This also smells unisex. It does lean a little bit masculine. Men can totally rock this. And it's very sensual, very inviting. It's perfect for the colder months. I did my video, which I will link down below, talking about my top perfumes for fall. I would have definitely included this one in the lineup if I received it earlier, because this is definitely a fall winter type of scent. I will love this in the colder weather, for sure. I know. I mean, I do love this now. The scent is very rich. It's very rich, very thick, very dense, very heady. It's a really potent one. If you want to make a statement, if you want to pack a punch, this is the one to go with. I can see myself wearing this on date nights, special occasions, definitely evening time. This is definitely not a safe blind buy. Like I said, I really like this. I'm glad to have it in my collection, but if you're not somebody who loves oud, or if you don't know what oud smells like, whether you would like it or not, try before you buy it. Definitely get a sample, get your nose on it before committing to this full bottle. But I love that richness, that smoky booziness. It's very sensual. It's definitely a sexy fragrance. It smells expensive. It smells rich. So this has great projection. It has great longevity. This sticks to your skin and it stays on your skin for a long time. I tested this out last night after I took a shower and I'm still smelling it today. Like, it's still on me. I just did a first spray here, but it's still enveloping me. It's still surrounding me. It's potent. This is a strong one. So yeah, this has great projection, great sillage, great longevity. And I will be rocking it when the weather gets cold. So this is Bewitching Yasmine from PENHALIGON'S.